Good morning, good morning. How are you all doing? How is everybody doing today, guys? Let's see who is with us today on this live trading session. Let me see some comments coming in. The markets, they are quite good, yeah, I can say. Alrighty. So, how is everybody? Just to check, sound is good, image is good, everything. Yep. Just looking at some things here on my end. So, what do you guys think about the markets today? Do you think we're gonna have some crazy moves? Hmm? Guys, do you have sound on the background? Can you hear any sound or not? Anyway, so did anyone got into trades or not yet? No trades yet. So we start with the gold news at 11. Good morning, Theo. Good to see you. Likewise, guys. Likewise. So let's start with the daily chart. Daily chart. What's going on here? I'll just take out everything. Previous day's high. Previous day's low. I'll just fix them. Whoa, look at them. Very accurate. We hit an area of, we are hitting down actually to a strong supply area. So I will move the box actually to rearrange the box a little bit. So this is a strong, did I said supply, demand, this is the strong demand. Here we are expecting, we expect some, some sort of interaction. So the break below this low, can be a case. Let's keep it there. That's the hourly. Definitely the hourly is down. Now I don't know when the price touches the low if it will keep going down, but for me this is a downtrend. Yesterday I've got some good trades, as I told you, at the breaks out and all this stuff. Then I got into a trade at the New York session right at the open. I bought at the bottom here the low. I got out somewhere around there, so it was a good trade, good setup. Then the market retraced, failed to move to the upside, put this kind of head and shoulders pattern, and now is going down as expected, let's say. Uh, So at this point, I'm gonna wait for I'm gonna wait for the push through and see whether we're gonna move quite well or not, and I will look to get some trades from there, I guess. 5 minute, 5 minute here, 5 minutes. So let's see what's going to happen with this one. Here it comes, it breaks to the downside. WTI, it's messy this one, isn't it? For hour, there is a low down there. And the high at the top. Bearish engulfing. What about DAX? It looks like at the open now, only DAX left. 5 minute daily. It's messy like hell. This one daily 4 hour at resistance, strong, very strong resistance here. So we need to be careful if it's going to break or not. I don't know. So from here, it looks like we do have some divergences. Yeah, RSI shows on every peak lower number. So maybe we're going to get some rejection here at the top. And that was the daily. Yep. Yeah, so maybe we can, if the price, watch these guys, if the price close as an engulfing, if it engulfs this candle here on the 15-minute time frame, then watch the market. It's likely to come all the way down here, and yeah, that will be a good setup, I guess. Because what we'll do on the 5-minute chart, it will change the market structure here. So on the 15-minute chart, if we close below this low, it means the next candle most likely will change the market structure of the 5-minute chart, and we're going to have a, let's say, an early entry. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Happy days. Iva, are you in the trade? Happy days. Happy days. Guys, don't say we didn't call it. Huh? Even if we're going to hit down to this support, let's say this area here, I think if the price breaks below this low, it won't bounce from there. It will just go straight into the box. This is a bearish engulfing I like to trade at the open. Now it's a bit choppy, but I like the sell. Yes, me too, me too, me too. I'm with you. Let's give it some time. Gold. Gold found rejection here. I'm gonna go in with a very low risk on gold, just because we have 1, 2. This is the third touch, so it's kind of a good support here. I'm gonna place a stop loss just below. I will put a stop loss at 39.56, not to give so much room. Stop loss at 39.56, just because if we're gonna get the bounce from this for the early, let's say, London session bounce, I want to be in at the lowest point. Usually I go in with 2 lots, but when there is a bit of kind of reversal trading, as you see from the bottom here, guys, I trade only 1 lot. I don't go with full size. You see, yesterday I had a good trades here, even with 1 lot. We had a good trades here, very good trades. Some stop losses hit, yeah, definitely, of course, but yeah, overall it was good. Rashid, hi, how are you doing? Hi, good morning. Paul, how are you doing, Paul? Um, Back to the DAX. Yes, yes, this is what we said about the DAX, guys. You look at it. Look at this. That's a beauty. Aiva, what's going on? Uh, DAX is melting. I'm fine, thank you. That's good to hear, Paul. So DAX, bearish engulfing, guys. Bearish engulfing here. Whoop. So went without me. Yes, yes. Maybe we're gonna get a little bit of a bounce. What do you think? We can get a little bit of a bounce to get feel and zoom all the way down. Hmm? Let's see. Usually when the price breaks after this kind of move, I think it goes a little bit upwards. Buy at 50%. Are you looking to buy? Or I think it's more for sales, this one, rather than buys. Sorry, sell. Okay. I got worried at some at some point. Sure, the price will struggle a little bit here, or no, let me correct myself. The price will not struggle a little bit here. There is a lot of limit orders sitting, both as pending buy orders as well as stop losses from those they bought here or there or there or there. So the stop losses are here. That's why we're going to see a lot of aggression if the price, when the price or once the price hit this low, because guys, I have news for you. The price will hit this low today while we are live, okay? Gold on the 5-minute chart came up with an inside candlestick right at support. I repeat, this is a reversal. This is a reversal trading. I got in with a very, very low risk. You see here, I'm just risking 792 from an account of 235. So it's not even 1% of the account. And that's because it's a reversal, is not a trend trading, and when it's a pure reversal retracement, I'm not going full on. Never, never. Mansoor watching DAX. Yep. For a reason, I cannot place orders on DAX on my account, and I forget to ask the customer support why I cannot place place orders on these indices, but I will figure it out because yes, I would love to trade DAX like the old times, huh? Right, guys? Right, the old times, DAX at the open, but I'm not trading these breakouts of the hourly candles anymore. Okay, so Nasdaq is going down. Nasdaq is dropping. Of course, DAX will drop. S&P drops. So we still have room for a drop on the DAX. It worries me a little bit that the price stalled right there. I want to see a little bit of uh, continuation at the mirror's times. Uh, Up, up, up. Okay, that's a nice one. Trade. I made about 600 on this one here. Now the price hit it at the key level of resistance. And guys, watch this now. Look at this. How many people are trading very wrong these double bottom, triple bottom, reversals, and all these things. If I'm into this move and the price comes here, there are only two things. Either the sellers will take control at resistance or we're going to have a breakout. But we know that levels hold, and that's the reason we bought support, because we expect that the support will hold. So why not to get out and close the position like I'm doing it now at resistance? Who There is very low probability in our favor that resistance will hold. So we expect that the price will move, there is high probability that resistance will hold. There is low probability of a breakout, especially during a downtrend. Now, where people get it wrong, they get it wrong at the point where they are in the trade and they believe that because they are in a good positive trade, the resistance all over the sudden will break. But if it breaks, that's okay, let it be. Statistically, 30% of the times we see breakouts, 70% we see that price holds. So I prefer to go with a bigger probability rather than the smaller one. What do you think? So we closed this trade here. with a low risk. DAX on the 5-minute chart, classic doji candlestick, classic doji. I'm pretty sure it's something in my settings and I cannot place trades. Is it the lot size? Maybe I have to increase 20, 50, I don't know. No, it's not the lot size. Or maybe it's 0.1 or something. No. Okay, I'll figure it out. Agree, Theo. Euro, US dollar, S&P, DAX. Let's check some news, guys. Today, Wednesday. Oh, happy month as well. Happy month to everyone. 1st of July. Some manufacturer PMI. Final PMI, German, French, Italian, low impact news. Euro CPI, mid impact news, nothing to worry about. Lagarde speaks. My goodness. Lagarde is still president of the European Central Bank. Huh? Bank of England's Governor Bailey speaks later on today. And Fed Chairman Warsh speaks. Okay, this is going to bring volatility. Then we have ISM, PMI, manufacturing PMI. Guys, pay attention to this one. At 3 p.m. UK or 10 a.m. EST. Is it 10 a.m.? Yeah, it's 10 a.m. EST, New York time. ISM Manufacturer Purchase Manufacturer Index is expecting to decrease by 0.2%, but it's going to bring volatility. So if you're trading around this time, just keep that in mind. Okay. By the way, guys, please make the effort to give us some thumbs up, like, subscribe on the YouTube channel. Yeah. Iva, do you use VWAP in your trading, Theo? Gold still looks heavy. If I can get back above 4K, yes, for sure. Iva will come back to that one. DAX hit the 50% of the candle with a rejection. That smells sales. Huh? Arabics Forex trading. Hi Theo, today feels like gold is the main setup. Yes, can be, definitely. I use VWAP only when I look at the future markets. Ivan, yep, of course. Alrighty. Guys, if the background music is too loud, please let me know. Okay. And I will lower the volume. Retracement here, and it's good. Maybe we're gonna get the rejection here. You guys said 50% retracement of the candle. Yep. Oh yeah, definitely looks very promising for sales. Absolutely. Nice music. Okay. I'll keep that every time, guys. On every live, I'm gonna put you some music here. I'm gonna make the DJ for you early morning. Do we have people here watching us from Asia or Australia? Afternoon times, so I know what kind of music I will play for you guys. For those who live in Europe or in Africa, in UAE, it's a bit early, still feels early, right? Gold. So what is stopping me for selling the gold right now is that we started going with these lower lows here, lower low, yeah, lower highs, and the bodies are so small. We have more wicks, absolutely, because we are heading towards this demand, but I wanted to see body sizes like this one, not like this. Also, the 15-minute is extended. You see, guys, if you were still holding this trade, how would you feel right now where you didn't close the trade at resistance because you were believing, expecting that the market will break the resistance? But now the market is hitting down. So, and often my students ask me why I'm telling them all the time to trade only trends, because if you don't master trend trading and you master only one particular trading style, so you feel comfortable trading that, how can you move to the next style that requires more discipline, more trading discipline? It will be hard, because discipline is a skill that builds up slowly in trading. Nobody was born disciplined trader. We become disciplined, but how we become? By repeating things help this skill development. No, Cabazoro, you don't need to feel like a fool, absolutely. But there are things, guys, I'm sharing on the live streams with you, and I give you all this knowledge openly. So take advantage of that and apply them. Don't just sit there with the knowledge. Apply. Price is at resistance. Okay, I closed my trade. Let's make this. I will make this for you. I bought here. Yeah, you saw that. And I closed right there. You saw that too. I explained why I closed, because we were at resistance. let me share this with you. What if the price, after I closed, took over and moved up? Then what? Many people will say, if we close the trade with Theo and if we were holding it, we would have made so much money. I'm with you, I agree. But statistically, this will happen, let's say 30% of the times. What about all these 70%? Then all these different things and your need to control the market in real time, it creates a terrible, terrible trading behavior. Can you explain the thought behind trading? Can you explain the thought behind trading the 50% of that big red candle on DAX? I didn't trade gold today. Yep. Okay. Trading the 50, one of my key powerful strategies that I teach all the time is when you see candles, long candles like this, take the 50% of the candle and trade and sell, let's say in a downtrend, sell right there at the 50%, not at the blow here or the breakout of the candle, because this candle here, based on my analysis on volume analysis and market profile, candles profile, sessions profile, when there are candlesticks like this, usually the majority of volume is somewhere in the middle. So if the majority of volume is somewhere in the middle, all the market participants, the professionals will wait, will try to drive the price at that level again to re-enter, because they don't want to sell at the bottom. Sometimes they do, where there is a stop loss placement quite significantly high. Because if the price didn't got filled well on the way down, there is a high chance for this retracement. So a safe place to trade, again considering the losses that involved, and there is nothing guaranteed in trading, 50%, it's a good place to look for entries after these impulsive moves. Now it struggles a little bit, but I would not even consider to buy this one. I'm only on the sell side. Lower low, clear lower low here. If that's going to be a false breakout, I don't know. So far, sellers are in control, and I credit that to sellers, guys. Simon, hi guys. What do you think about Euro US dollar? What do we think about Euro US dollar? Let's see what the chart shows with the Euro US dollar. The chart shows that there is a downtrend. On the 4-hour though, we have this mini uptrend that now is congesting and is coming to an end. So we have room for sales until here. So basically, in about 16 pips, 15-16 pips, we should see some buying pressure, but for now this one here looks like is going down. Maybe the market will give something here at the retracement. 50 and 61.8. If you want to watch that, it's a key zone. If euro can reach the 140.20, still feel bearish. Yes, agree with that. Gold again at support. I didn't see that rejection, so now it's heating up. DAX. Oh, DAX is giving hard times here. Gold. Inverse hammer at support, 15-minute time frame. Well, hell yeah, pushing to the upside, of course. I will wait for gold to see what's going to happen here. Look at DAX. Hey, what are you doing, mate? It's taking over on the minute chart. 15-minute. Messy DAX. Messy. But it's an interesting thing, though. Good day, Paul. I'm from Africa. Nice to have you on the live. Thanks for joining us. Here it comes. You see, it stopped at 61.8. Let's see if it's gonna hit down. You took a sell on gold, but the long wick took you out, and now the trade is near my TP. On gold, you took a sell yesterday. The wick took you out. Yeah, but I don't understand. Okay, when did you take a sell? Yesterday, when? Let me check. This DAX is causing us headache here. Guys, I'm still very firm on my plan for sales on DAX. Unless the break of this high, unless we see the break of this high, if we don't see a break above this high, I'm not willing to bail out of my my analysis. So funny that traders want to be right all the time, all the time. They buy, they want to be right. They sell, they want to be right. They get messed up. They start seeing their equity curve like this. They come back. We have coachings. We say the strategies has probabilities. Market moves in probabilities. This is the nature of the market. Okay, so any strategy with a 50% winning and 50% losing ratio can make you good profits considering all the losses in the market, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Do you guys resonate with that? And then you go back, you get one losing trade, second, 3, 4 losing trades in a row. Boom. Again. So it's not about being right in trading. It's about being consistent. Now, if you execute a strategy that consistently doesn't give you, if you execute the same thing over and over and over and it doesn't give you results after you measure them that you are happy with, that's a different story. But just changing the things and trying to predict over analyzing, it's no, it doesn't help you to create the right, the right beliefs, the right behaviors in the market. I'm short on DAX, but is making me suffer. Well, look, there is a chance that we're going to see a break above here. Yeah. If we break above here, it's like you trade the same thing over and over and over again, but half of them will lose, or 40 trades will lose out of 100. You don't know. This is probabilities. Guys, this is trading. Welcome to the world of trading. It's probabilities. If someone trying to sell you 70, 80%, 90% winning trades, don't get caught. I have, for example, last month, June, was one of the best months I had in trading since I remember myself. One of the very, very best. You can see it from my account here. The very best month. No joking. And I think I have this account also connected on the MyFX book, so you can go and see outstanding record. Outstanding. I was a little bit more risky on this one, yes, I admit it. But on the other hand, I was also lucky because the market favored a lot my strategy. I got smooth trends and I was willing to, ride and let the trend play. But it's not always like this. This is a rare occasion. Most of the times, it's like 40-60, 50-50, 60-40. It's something like that, guys. So don't beat yourself up every single time. allow the law of averages, allow the law of probabilities, play the way they have to play, so you can experience trading in a way that will allow you to like me, to fund it with your own. You see, I'm trading with a broker now. This is not a prop firm trading. That means I put my money on the line, but I feel comfortable to put all this money into my trading account, because I did, even today I did it in front of you guys. You have to, I'm disciplined with my approach. You see, bought there, sold at resistance. What if the price was taking over? What if right now the price will take over? It's okay. I prevent all this capital first. I protect my capital, and then I'm looking how I'm going to max out the capital. But if I don't protect the capital, I will not be able to max out the capital, because I will lose the capital. Okay, simple as that. Do I think this is not possible? 70-80% successful trade? Some months, yes, it's possible. Last month I had it, to be honest, June. I'm very happy for that. But consistently, every single month, I guarantee you no. It's impossible. Impossible. There is no way on earth a professional way of trading that you do it month in, month out, to have a strategy that gives you 70 and 80% winning trades. On social media, for some flex and some flash, absolutely yes, even 90%. But in real time, in the battlefield, no, guys. You get it 50, 60%, 65, 63%. You have to be super happy, because it's not about getting the number in your favor. It's about learning how to max out on the trade. And how do you max out? When you let the trade run. But which type of market allows you to max out? Only trend trading allows you to max out. Or if you are trading this type of rangers, demand and supply, you buy the demand, you sell the supply, and you just have a big range, and on every tick up you just buy until the middle. And if you are lucky and it goes to the other extreme, then you have 10 positions and you max out at the top. But the way we professionally trade and we max out on the trades is trading the trend, riding the trend. I can build 3, 4, 5 positions on the retracement, yes. And let's say if I'm willing to risk, for example, 2,000 from my trading capital, I can split the trade a little bit to 4, 5 positions. Okay, so all of them, if they hit stop loss, it won't get out of my capital more than, let's say, 2K. But if they're gonna move in my favor, all these positions, because the one was bought a bit higher, the other a bit lower, lowest, so I have a high chance to max out, and I'm gonna close most of them and let few others run. So if the trend develops, it's gonna make me too much money. But this doesn't happen all the time, or it doesn't happen very often. This is a rare case, and I want you to learn exactly the reality of the markets, the nature of the market. This is not what happens every single day, my friends. Or better, it's not happening every single time. Okay? So, develop the skill of discipline, and the way to do it is by your actions. So if we see a break now above here, we can wait for a retracement. I'm going to put some post on the Telegram about what I will be viewing the markets and how I will analyze it. So you can get them from the Telegram channel. And then, yeah, we are ready to capitalize. Like yesterday. Who was with me yesterday here? Many of you were yesterday here. Yeah. Didn't I tell you that I was waiting for that? Where was that? I was waiting for that breakout on gold, and I was, were we somewhere? It was somewhere here, I think, or no, sorry, I cannot find it. Anyway, I was looking to buy the gold, but it false breakout, then the price took the loss, of course. The price came down right at this demand. Look at this. We have one touch, we have two touches, guys, exactly by letter. I mean, so much textbook trading, exactly how it's inside the course I created in the video course. Same thing, different chart, same thing. How to trade the demand, how to trade the supply. We don't trade the demand like you think we trade the demand. It's the swing low and the turning point at the bottom is a different than a demand and a support. Okay, don't get confused. So, and that was a trade here, right there. Right there was a trade. Up to there. Then the price took over. Without me, of course, because I'm a disciplined trader. I got out there. It was enough. I wasn't convinced that the market is in a strong uptrend. And right after, it just retraced back 100%. So it is what it is in trading. Yeah, because we don't know what's going to happen next. We just have a solid trading plan that allows us to execute without fear, without hesitation, and protect our capital and let the trend trades run to grow our capital. Alrighty, so we struggle to break above the 50 moving average. Also, see how the moving averages served as dynamic resistances here. I think the sell from 40.10. I'm not very keen to sell because we failed to make a strong lower low. So it means sellers weren't strong here. So yeah, but if your strategy now says you have to sell at that point, absolutely. 40, you said 40.10 on gold, 40.10. You are looking a bit high, huh? 40.10, it's right here. Yeah, but this one here maybe will come tomorrow. I don't know. Or late during the New York session. Now I don't see the price really in the next 1-2 hours coming all the way here. But definitely buyers looks like they are trying to control. what's happening here? We're gonna see the push to the upside. So 1, 2, this one. We have fairly good room to move to the upside. I will keep an eye on gold, guys, for potential buys. So from now we are changing market structure. I will be looking for buys on gold. I will post the exact levels in the Telegram, in the channel, and you can get them from there. You said you took the sale. Okay. So, wow, where was your take profit then? I'm just trying to visualize your trade. If you tell me your take profit, your stop loss and all these things. What is going on with DAX? DAX didn't move to the downside as expected. This bearish engulfing miserably failed at the end, but yeah, it is what it is. It's trading. So if we break above this high, which we are right now, let's see if this is going to follow with aggression. Yeah, most likely then we're going to have a bullish move. If the market changes, I mean, we cannot just sit there and cry what we're going to do next. We're going to go with the flow. So we have to let the price to see if it's going to go further up, and we can get in with a retracement. Also, the way I teach to trade the breakouts during a trend, the inside candlesticks, guys, that's a no-brainer. That's great actually if you learn how to do that, to trade the breakout of these candlesticks. Oh my god. Guys, it's time to end this live stream. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you find it very valuable. So please show some love on the channel, subscribe, hit the like button on the video as well. If you have someone that you know is trading with you, you can also share the video. Absolutely. During the day, if you have anything, feedback or something, or any comments, you can leave them on the video below. If you're in the Telegram channel, of course, I will see you inside the Telegram. And until then, I wish you best luck with your trading. We're going to be live here tomorrow again, and I will see you all then. So best luck, guys, and take care. Bye for now.